Bad luck, bad luck. I want to talk about how to get rid of bad luck in your life forever. A lot of people have missed big chances because of bad luck. You out there thinking that, okay, no, maybe it wasn't me, maybe it was someone else. No, you have missed that chance because you have bad luck in this life. So I want to show you how to get rid of bad luck forever. Everything that we do in a spiritual way, every natural remedy that we use in a spiritual way to cleanse or to do spiritual work is very important. It was not created for fun. It was not created for no reason. It was created for a purpose to be used to heal a certain problem. So all these remedies that we use spiritually, they have a purpose on this world. So you use it to heal yourself. Yes, to change yourself, to change your life. Hi guys, welcome back to the God and Bosom channel. My name is Jackie. If you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much. If you just came across my video, hello, subscribe. I share a lot of spiritual tips and I guide you through on how to do spiritual work for yourself so that you can live a happy life. Yes, so in today's video I want to share with you how to get rid of bad luck forever in life. Yes, bad luck can be challenging. You can be desperate because of bad luck, rejection, hatred. Yes, a lot because of bad luck. Like nothing is going on smoothly. You're always disappointed in this life. You're always rejected because you have bad luck. Like I say in my videos, generational curses are very hard to break. You need to do a lot of prayers and spiritual work so that you overcome generational curses. There is a lot that comes with bad luck, and if you want to get rid of it, I want you to do this simple spiritual work, spiritual exercise. Bath with it, and you'll never have bad luck again. Whatever you do, you'll be a blessed person, and your plans will always go on smoothly. Whatever you are planning. Bad luck can be very disappointing. Maybe you're asking for a job and they pick someone who is not even educated, but you yourself, you're educated. You get rejected because of bad luck. And some people think that, okay, it's okay, maybe it was not me, maybe it was not my turn. No, you got rejected because of bad luck. Sometimes you need to do something about yourself so that life goes on smoothly. And that is why we're here for. So guys, like I said, you need simple remedies to make use of them. Very effective and powerful so that they can change everything, your story. First of all, if you want to get rid of bad luck, you are going to do what they call cleansing. You are going to cleanse yourself against evil, negativity, because that is what causes bad luck. You are going to get sea salt, very new sea salt, never used before. Okay, you can find that in a supermarket, grocery stores, or spiritual shops. Then you are going to mix that in a bowl of water. In water, just like that. You are going to dip your legs, both your legs, right and left, into that bucket of water or that basin of water, including sea salt in it. And read Psalms 51. Ask God to put mercy on you. Ask God to put favor on you. Yes, God is favor. Ask God to clear the way for you. Whatever you are doing, whatever plans you are doing in your life, they go on smoothly and successfully. Yes, that is everything that you need. You are wiping yourself against any negativity. You are cleansing yourself against any evil. Dipping these two legs into salt water. Sea salt is very powerful. It has a lot of spiritual works. Name it. You can use it to drive away evil. You can use it to get rid of negativity. You can use it to attract. You can use it to get rid of bad luck. You can use it to do a lot of things. So you are going to dip your legs just like that and mention your intentions. Pray over it and read Psalms 51. After that, you are going to throw that water maybe in a compound. That's it. Do not wipe yourself with a towel. And you are going to repeat the same thing every day for 7 days. Ask God His favor. God is mercy. Ask Him for favor. Wherever you go, you'll be a blessed person. Wherever you touch will be blessed. Yes, it shall be multiplied. Sea salt is very, very powerful. It has been talked about in the Bible. It has been used in so many ways. So if you have bad luck and things are not going well on your side, you are missing out. Just sea salt is very cheap. Make use of it and see wonders, see miracles, see things that are changing. Your life will change completely. That is how you are going to break generational curses that cause bad luck to you. That is how you are going to get rid of bad luck in general. So guys, it does not matter what country, it does not matter what religion you are, you can still do this. Just get sea salt, very natural, okay, and new. Use it that way for 7 days. Pray Psalms 51 every day. Pray your intentions and ask God to clear your ways, your passes, and trust me, you'll see change. So guys, that is it for today. If you feel this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to the Golden Bosom channel and see you in my next video. Bye.